Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all safe. So today I am going to continue with my same lesson, that is meaning and importance of the political science. So in the last class I have given the introduction, meaning of the political science. Today I am going to explain you all about the importance of the political science. There are some points are there. So one by one I am going to say all. So the knowledge of political science is essential. Essential means what? Important in the present age. The progress and development of the state depends upon the thinking, knowledge and political involvement of the people. So, let me explain the points one by one. That is, political science helps to understand the birth and growth of a state. It provides information about the types of government and political activities involved in the functions of the state. Functions means what? It is called as duties. And political science provide information about the origin and development of ideas such as monarchy form of a government, freedom, justice, law, equality, good government, wars and peace, etc. Do you all know what you mean by monarchy form of a government? Means where the king and queens used to rule. Now everybody are free and certain rights are there, fundamental rights and duties are there for the citizens. Justice, they are providing justice, equal justice to everyone. Laws, rules and regulation, all are equal in front of the law. The government is good. It also gives information about the wars, events, and it seeks to maintain peace between the countries. And political science, it provides information about the structure and functions of the state and government. I already said you, functions mean what? Duties. In the light of the past, so political science, it studies the past, present and the future. So in the light of the past and the present activities of the government, political science helps to plan the future activities of the state and it also helps to establish a modern welfare society. So the law, the political science, it seeks for the evolution, change, development in the society as well as in the citizens of a country. And political science provides knowledge of the constitution and laws of the state. Not only that, political science helps to understand the organs. So there are three organs are there, that is legislature, executive and judiciary and the function. Now, legislature. These are the organs of a parliament, government, that is a group of people make a law, rules, regulations, policies. Executive, they implement into the society. Implement means they introduce to the citizens of a country that each and every citizen has to follow it. Judiciary is there to protect the fundamental rights and the one who deny their right to principle, deny their duties, it is there to protect as well as it is there to punish the judiciary. And everyone are equal in front of the law. There is no superior, there is no inferior, and there is no discrimination on caste and the gender. It tells about their functions Functions means what? Duties. So this is about the importance of the political science. So I have explained you all only the 6 importance of the political science. There are 12 points are there. So in the next class again I am going to continue with the same lesson. I hope you all are understanding, students. So political science is, I already said you, it studies the past, present and seeing for the future development, welfare of the people as well as the society. It sees the evolution, change in the peoples as well as in the society, state, country. Yes or no? So I hope you all understand it. So let me continue with in the next class, that is same topic, that is importance of the political science. Thank you, students.